You know what drives me absolutely nuts? Traffic courses promising secret hacks, but delivering nothing but recycled fluff. Enough is enough. When I heard James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier just launched Rapid Traffic Flow, promising 3 totally new ways to rank on Google and YouTube, I rolled my eyes at first. Seriously, haven't we heard it all before? But let me get real. These guys delivered. This course literally peels back the curtain on strategies super affiliates quietly use every day to dominate search results. No hype, no filler, just real, actionable, and proven methods. Without consistent traffic, your business stalls. No traffic means no eyeballs, no leads, no sales. But Rapid Traffic Flow fixes that fast. They hand you their exact process for reverse engineering top competitors, so you're never left guessing again. And here's the deal sweetener. Grab Rapid Traffic Flow through my link, and I'm handing you my complete AI content system absolutely free. This isn't just a bonus, it's the full blueprint I personally use to effortlessly pump out content, rank quickly, and automate online growth. I've tested plenty of garbage courses, but Rapid Traffic Flow is different. Practical, proven strategies that actually work. It's genuinely worth way more than they're charging. If you're tired of being stuck and finally want consistent traffic and sales, grab Rapid Traffic Flow right now. With my AI content system bonus, you're practically unstoppable. Click the link below, claim your bonus, and crack the code on ranking. Or don't, and watch everyone else pass you by.